Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well. So today I am in front of you guys. Not really, I'm behind the camera because I am going to show it to you guys how to make homemade scrub and face mask for your skin. This is specially for oily skin, but all of you can use it. So as you guys can see that I have taken sugar in one bowl and I'm going to add a little bit of honey, very little. I don't like a lot of honey, but yeah, still. So this is not even half teaspoon of honey because I do not like honey that much, and I have to include it into the face mask as well. But you can add 1 to 1.5 spoons of honey in the mixture. Then I'm going to add olive oil to this. I'm just going to add olive oil, and now I'm going to add little bit of lemon, half lemon. So this scrub is not ready yet, and we are just going to wait for 15-20 minutes till the sugar dilutes itself a little, and only then we are going to apply it on our face. Now I'm going to make the face mask, and the first thing that I'm going to use is besan or gram flour as you say it. I'm going to add a little bit of curd to it. The next thing is that I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric, or as you call haldi. And the last step is that I'm going to include 1 teaspoon of honey to it. Now I'm going to mix it well. Also guys, I'm going to add a little bit of rose water to it so as to give it a good smell. We are done with the face mask and the face scrub, and now I'm going to apply it on my face. So guys, that was all for today. I hope you liked the video. For more skincare and makeup tips, stay tuned. Foxy.